Hi guys, welcome back. Today, what I'm going to do is attempt to put these antlers, I figured out they're actually called antlers, not horns, on my Mephisto that I just recently got. I purchased him just as a head, secondhand, and you can see his unboxing in my previous video. I'll have it linked at the end of this video. But he was just a floating head, and he came with these beautiful antlers. So what I'm doing is he actually probably needs a bigger body, but I'm using one of my other doll Chateau bodies right now. This is, I took poor Ingemar's head off so that my Mephisto could borrow his body. Just to see if we can get the antlers on. And you can see the size difference in the heads. So Mephisto's head is taller. So he probably does need a larger body. And as you can see, the neck there's a gap in the neck. It's very loose. But, so yeah, and I do want to get him a doll Chateau body because I really love these bodies. But what we're gonna do, I actually searched online how to attach these antlers, and whoops, let me get him set up here, sat down, because what we need to do is we need to take his head cap off. And I think this is what we need to do, guys. And it showed the cord from the inside of the antlers attaching to this hook, this S hook. So this could be a real challenge, because if I turn it enough to where I can hook the cord on it, it may try to get out. It may like slip down inside of his neck. So I'm gonna see if I can do this, guys. Ooh. And I was thinking that he would need to have a wig on before we put the antlers on, but if we did that, how would we put the S hook on? And yeah, so that's kind of strange, but but I think we can do it if I can manage. Let's see. I gotta get him in a better position here and straddle my little tripod, and we'll see if we can do it, guys. You probably won't be able to see while I'm doing it, but I'm gonna see if this will work. Wow. If that's what really needs to be done, it could be tricky. How could we do that? Let's see. What if I use, let's see. Let me get my little cord here. Maybe if I hang on to this S hook. Nope, guys, this is really challenging. Or let's see if we actually string the cord, this cord through here to try and stretch it. Guys, this is like, I don't know if this is the way it's supposed to be done, but if this is a fail, I don't know if I'll put this up either on YouTube. Guys, help. So, wow, how do you even, I don't want to scratch his face up. Wow, that's like almost impossible to get, but maybe. Here we go. Let's see if this works. Oh my gosh. I got it, guys. I got it. Okay. Now to get this off, and maybe I should have done both cords. I don't know. Oh, should I have done both cords, guys? Oh. Wow, hold on. Very interesting. So I think that's how it goes. But then, yeah, the cord is just a little loose. It might need to be tightened. But it looks like that's how it's supposed to go. Because as you can see, there's a flat area down in there. I think the back of his head cap, or the back of his head, actually rests against that. Wow. Yeah, okay. And you see that little ledge down here? It looks like this part catches on that. So, ooh, that's the way it's supposed to go, guys. And I don't see how you would put a wig on. Whoa. It's not tight enough. I don't want it to chip his ear because it's slipping there. But I don't know. I don't know how you would get a wig on under this, unless he's just not supposed to wear a wig, but then there's that gap. So I just thought I would share, guys, really quick video, but it feels like that's right about where it would go. Just thought I would share as I attempted to do this myself and let you guys see the process. And yeah, it looks like that's the way it goes. But I do think I might have to try and get both cords attached to the S-hook to make it tighter. And then it would hold it more secure. It should hold it securely in place. And that's how he'll look, guys. So that is my Mephisto. I don't know if I'm saying this right, guys. Mephistopheles? Anyway, thanks for watching. Well, yeah, there's no way to get the wig on. I was thinking I could try and slide this wig on underneath, but I'm not going to attempt it. I might try it later. If I can get it done, I'll post him up on Instagram and you guys will see the finished product. But I really need to get a bigger body for him. One that's got a slightly thicker neck. But as you could see, his neck hole is very tiny. So yeah, he's gonna definitely need, I think he's gonna need either a doll Chateau body or possibly a Dream Valley body. If I could find one of those that the neck would be small enough on. But thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna go for real this time. And hope you enjoyed this video, even though it was just a little experiment. I'll see you later. Bye.